Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain a different and interesting usage of ChatGPT. The version that I'm using is ChatGPT 3.5 and the subject that I'm going to explain is using ChatGPT to write a code, to develop code for prediction of revolution in different countries. First of all, I asked ChatGPT if I want to develop code to predict a time frame of revolution in a country, what should the main parameters be chosen? And it answered social factors like these factors, economic factors like these factors, political, historical, media and communication, international relations, cultural and religious factor, and environmental factors. So itself defines the important parameters in predicting a revolution. Then I asked him to develop the code for me, and he wrote this code. In fact, he wrote a code, and I had to revise the code with the help of itself. And finally, I got this code and make a little bit change inside the code, and then I needed an example of the input parameters, like the parameters that I have asked from ChatGPT before. And these are the parameters as as an example. Then I put the code inside the Matlab. As we can see here, we read the input data as a CSV file. In fact, not we, the code read the file, the input file. These are the input parameters. It allocates weight to the parameters based on their importance. For example, if we change the weight, for example, put this 5 instead of 3, we will have different answers for sure. This weight is for 1, 2, 3 is for political factors. Okay, and this is what ChatGPT gave us as an example. I asked it to use the information of the previous 11 years. So these are the information of the parameters in previous 11 years. And according to this information, predict the probability of revolution in 2024. So based on the information in 2013 to 2023, we can develop code to predict the probability of prediction in 2024. So as we can see, this is the probability of revolution in 2024, 21 and 90%. If we change the weight, like political weight, to make it, let's change it to 10, and let's change the amount of political stability. Let's put them close to 0. Then save, and let's see how the probability, the possibility would be changed. It doesn't change much. Maybe another thing which is very important is this can change. This must be economical issue. Let's change it to 1. The stability for this parameter. Then save and then run. It doesn't change much. If you put it 1, let's consider all the weight 1. Then run the code. Oh, really dramatic change. From 22%, it goes to around 6%. So it was an interesting function of ChatGPT in political issues, which for myself was really interesting. I will put more video with the usage, with the interesting usage of ChatGPT on this channel. I would be thankful if you subscribe the channel and give me a like, and a happy new year.